Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Kids, today we are going to study about the concepts of thick and thin and more and less. Let's start. Kids, let's see which group has more objects. Now first group has 4 glasses and second group has 3 cookies. Now tell me which group has more objects. Tell me, count and say yes. Ready? And you all are correct. The group of glasses is more. There are 4 glasses. Good work. Now, which group has more objects? First group has 3 umbrellas and second group has 5 gum boots. Ready? Tell me which group has more? Yes. Very good. You are right. You are correct. Second group has 5 gum boots. So, this contains more object. Great. Now, tell me. First group has 5 spades and second group has 4 buckets. Tell me which group has more objects. Ready? Yeah. Think. Very good. First group has 5 spades. So, first group has more objects. You are doing great. Now, again, first group has 3 objects and second group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. So, which has more objects? Tell me. Ready, fast. Tell me answer. Yes, second group has more objects. There are 7 dots. Wow, you can count very well. Now let's find which group is having lesser objects or fewer. Which group has fewer or lesser objects? First group has 6 apples and second group has 4 watermelons. Okay, count how many apples and watermelons are there and tell me the answer. Ready? Yes. Watermelons are less because there are only 4 and apples are more. You are doing great. Now, in first picture, 1 dog is there and in second picture, 4 dogs are there. Now tell me which group has lesser dogs. Ready? Yes. Give me the answer. Very good. First group has only 1 dog, less objects. Great job. Now, first picture has 4 violins and second picture there are 5 xylophone. Now, tell me which group has less objects. Tell me. Yes, you all are correct. There are only 4 violins. So, this group has less object. Wow, great. Now, look at the picture. How many bananas are there? 5. And how many monkeys are there? 3. So, first picture has 5 bananas and second picture has 3 monkeys. Now tell me which is less? Yes, monkeys are only 3. So this picture has less objects. Good work. Now again tell me which object has lesser or fewer objects. First picture. Now count the fishes. How many fish are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. there are 7 fish. And in second picture, there are 2 octopus. Now tell me which has less? Very good. The second picture has less animal, water animal. Okay. Lesser animals. Great job. Just one more. Now, in first picture, there are 4 buses. And in second picture, there are 5 cars. Now, you have to find out which picture has less objects. Tell me, think and tell me the answer. Lesser one. Very good. There are only 4 buses. So, picture A has less objects. Now, let's see thick and thin. Left side brush is thick and right side brush is thin. Now, man is thick or fat and boy is thin. Oh, left book is thick and right book is thin. Tires. Left side tire is thick and right side tire is thin. Pumpkin and bottle gourd. Pumpkin is thick and bottle gourd is thin. Left side bangles are thick and right side bangles are thin. Boxes. Left side box is thick and right side box is thin. Trolleys, suitcases. Left side suitcase is thick and right side suitcase is thin. Thank you, kids. Kids, today we are going to do page numbers 8 and 9. Page number 8 and 9 of your maths book. Simplified maths book. Open page number 8 and 9. So first of all we will start with page number 8. Okay. Now put date in left corner. You know today's date is 20th. 8 for August and 2020. Okay. Now we are going to study about what? Thickness. Thickness of the objects. See. These are books. Both are same. This is a book. This is a book. Both are same. But their thickness is different. So, which is thicker? This one. And this is thinner. Green book is thick while pink book is thin. Okay. Now here, different. It means both the objects are different. But we have to find out whose thickness is more. Or in other words, we can say which object is thick and which object is thin. So, this is a lock. Okay, so lock is thick and key thin. Lock is thick and key is thin. Okay, this is lock and key. Okay, now tick, write the thick. So, the thicker one, mota wala, we have to put right and cross for the thin one or patle wale pe cross. Okay. So, see, one has done for you. This candle is thick. Okay. Moti hai wali candle. So, we put a right tick mark. And this is thin. This is thin, patli hai. So, then we have to put the cross mark. Similarly, pillow is thick or thin? Tell me, tell me. Yes, pillow is thick. So, put a right tick. And this is what? This is what? This is an eraser. Eraser is thick or thin? Eraser is thin. So, cross out. Okay. Now come to this. These are two rods. Both are same objects, but their thickness differs. This rod is thick, so put a right mark. And this rod is thin. Cross out the thin one. Okay, done. Now come to this picture. Which vegetable is this? You all know. You like this? Which vegetable? Yes, ladyfinger. And which fruit is this? This is a watermelon. So which is thick? A ladyfinger or a watermelon? What do you think? Yes, you all are right. Correct. Watermelon is thick. So put a right mark. And ladyfinger is thin. So put a cross. Okay, page number 8 is completed. Done. Now come to page number 9. Now see, page number 9, put date 20th 8 2020, and this concept is of quantity. What do you mean by quantity? See, this glass and this glass. Compare both the glasses. This glass is filled with water up to here and this glass has less water. So, this quantity of the thing the object is carrying, we have to find out. And the concept is more and less. More means jada, less means kam. So you have to find out which object is carrying more things, like jada cheez kisme hai and less kam cheez kisme. Okay. Now see, both are glasses. Both the glasses, they have water. But this glass has water up to here, and this glass has more water, and this glass has less water. Now see, two fruit baskets are there. In this basket, there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. And in this basket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples are there. So tell me, which basket contains more apples? Which basket has more apple? Yes, more apples are there in this basket. And in this basket, there are less. Here, jada apples. Here, kam apples. Okay. So, for jada, more and less, kam ke nahi. Now, start doing activity. Tick more and cross the less one. So, more things you have to put a right mark. So, now count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 birds. And here are only 2 birds. So, these birds, these are more. So, already we have done for you. Right. And these are only 2 birds. Very less. Cross it. Now, come to this picture. This is a pot. This is also a pot. This pot contains some pebbles, small stones. This pot also contains some small pebbles, stones. Now, tell me, which pot contains more pebbles? So kids, this pot contains more pebbles. Put a right mark. And this pot contains less pebbles. So cross out. Okay. Now come to this picture. What is this? These are your yummy ice creams. So this is a cone. This is a cone. And here cream is there. Okay. So this ice cream scoop contains less cream, very less cream. And this ice cream scoop contains more cream. So this is more, put a right mark. This is less, put a cross mark. Now come to cherries. Now count the cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cherries. And here only 4. So which bunch is having more? Yes, this bunch is having more cherries. So put a right, and this bunch is having only 4. Less, cross. Okay. So we have studied 2 concepts today. Thick and thin. Mota, patla. More and less. Jada or kam. Okay. This completes our exercises. So kids, I hope you have understood both the concept of thick and thin and more and less. Now tell me, which is more and which is less? Tell me. Yes, these are more candles. I have 5 candles in this hand, in right hand. So these are more and this is only 1. So this is less. Okay, more and less. Now one more question for you. Now tell me, which is thick and which is thin? Tell me, tell me. Yes, you all are very smart. Correct. This is thick and this is thin. Keep practicing. Bye.